So here we are in the mountains of Norway. We found a river and what appears to be an Elden Ring boss. And my friends have conveniently ditched me, so time to go catch up to them. So this is actually kind of a troll because we've went through the entire cave already, but I didn't get any video of the beginning part. So here we are.
Are you saying stuff to me or just to the camera?
I'm just talking to myself like a crazy person. You know, as one does. A little bit slippery, but we're vibing. So here's where the light seems to die. It is now dark. So what we're doing right now is we're looking for the third mysterious cave that might or might not involve crawling around in the dark. And you really can't see shit. So with the help of my telephone and the world's dimmest flashlight, let's see if we can make it down into the Minecraft cave.
I think the thing to the right of us, Manya, that's
Uh-oh.
that's the pillar, right?
I'm gonna have to duck down.
Yeah.
I ain't fucking going into it.
We found a thing, but it looks a little
I mean,
tight.
yeah, like it's like slopes down and it's not very large, and I've read too many stories of people getting stuck. So,
What about the other way though?
Fear?
kind of, yeah, actually.
It doesn't look like it goes anywhere.
Sounds like some fear, my man.
Oh, maybe I don't know.
You don't want to like shove yourself in this tiny little fucking crevasse that you probably won't be able to get out of. That's a great idea.
It might be like up there. Do you see all that? All this stuff.
We're not climbing
Yeah, we're not getting up there, buddy.
I'm not saying we are, but
I don't really want to climb in here either.
yeah. But honestly, well, the thing is, it's not on a platform. It says it's on a little plateau.
No, they also said there's a lot of passages
Yeah.
that open into chambers, but they advise against exploring them because you could get stuck. That's it. I'm pretty sure I wouldn't get stuck here.
Yeah,
I kind of
the
want to
thing
go
is-
take a look.
No one plans on getting stuck.
That's true, but most people get stuck in downward passages.
Yo,
well, try not to get stuck, sir.
Yeah, we'll stay back here. People watch out.
We'll be conveniently not helping you. How's she looking?
I mean, it's pretty cool.
Care to elaborate?
I don't recommend climbing in here.
You do or you don't?
I do not.
Why not?
It's not cool enough.
Okay. JC.
Oh, fuck.
Uh-oh.
Good thing there's so many
Door's
nice
stuck. Door's stuck.
Oh no.
so many nice soft rocks to just rest your knees on.
Yeah, for real.
We made it. Well, you got a nice dagger. Be careful with that shit.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, governor. Yeah, right.
Okay, so mine is
Give me the precious.
Nasty hobbit shit. What have they got in their pocket shit?
You are a fucking alien.
there's light. The fuck? Is that finally the surface? It's been years.
Oh shit, there's a creeper.
I didn't realize it went back up.
We found some water, guys.
Cave water. Ow.
This thing hurts. Aw. I think maybe he's just angry at you. You gotta be nice and caring to him.
This is actually really cool though. I think it is shower time.
Alright, boys. We haven't showered in God only knows how many days.
3 days.
I don't know, this water looks a little cold.
No. Good water pressure, you know?
True. But did you bring the shampoo? Fuck you! bit tight. How's she looking?
There's 4 minutes on these outside. Well, come grab your bag.
I cannot hear anything he's saying.
He says there's a ladder up there, and it is of dubious interest, but non-zero.
Interesting. So in unrelated news, we've spotted a football field in the distance that is definitely not a farm. Ivan and Eric have gone off to look for the 3rd cave, but I had a granola bar and now I am vibing looking from above. Hopefully I don't drop my camera. I see shit, honestly. But it is water. I've found the fellow gamers and the fellow sheepers.
There's a fucking hole down there.
A fucking hole.
Yeah, it's a fucking hole. You wanna have a go?
Is Ivan
He's in it.
he's at it?
Oh, he's deep.
I'm vibing.
He's balls deep in there.
Ivan.
Uh-oh.
Oh god.
Yeah, what's good?
How do you get out of there?
There's a
The
rope.
same way. It's plenty of footholds, really.
How about we demonstrate us plugging the hole with a large rock?
I like that idea.
That's a good move.
Alright, well we found one right here.
We do a little bit of tomfoolery.
Okay, and how do you get down?
You step on the carefully placed fucking rocks to dump.
Who do you think placed them?
What?
Who do you think placed them?
God.
Who?
God.
So Ivan assures me that this is a doable and smart idea.
Yeah.
I'm a little skeptical about both of those claims. How the fuck do you...
Just step down, bro. It's like steps. It's like a staircase.
Is there water down there? Is there fall damage?
Alright,
Oh,
well,
God.
this is a wee bit tight. Oh, I see where I go from here.
Yep.
Oh, this isn't actually that bad.
It's really not that bad.
I feel like the first part just looks kind of risque.
I mean, it could be risque if I took my shirt off.
Oh shit. Coming out of the 3rd cave.
Hey.
Don't fall down on me.
Oh my god.
That'll be fun.
My head.
A little bit tight. You're probably better off not coming down.
Yeah?
It's a little claustrophobia simulator.
Yeah.
Alright.